Do you ever look up at the night sky and wonder if we're alone? Now, you might think this is a silly question. After all, there are billions of Earth-like planets out there, and the universe is almost unimaginably vast. Surely there must be some kind of life out there, right? Well, believe it or not, astronomers actually don't think this is a particularly deep question, and they've come up with some pretty mind-blowing answers. In fact, there's a famous problem in astronomy called the Fermi Paradox that's all about why haven't we found aliens yet? So join me today as we explore this great cosmic mystery. Okay, so here's the deal. Our galaxy, which is just one galaxy in the observable universe, contains roughly 100 billion stars. Now, granted, only about 10% of those stars are similar to our Sun, but that still leaves us with 10 billion potentially Earth-like planets. And according to some estimates, 1 in 5 of those could have life on it. That means there could be as many as 20 billion alien species out there, and some of them may well be more advanced than us. So if there are so many planets out there that could support life, why haven't we found any aliens yet? Well, in 1950, an Italian physicist named Enrico Fermi actually formulated this into a paradox. He said if there are so many planets out there that could support life, and if life arose independently even just a few times, then surely some civilizations would have become technologically advanced by now. And if they're so much more advanced than us, why haven't they visited Earth or contacted us in some way? This is what's known as the Fermi Paradox, and it's a real head-scratcher. One of the most popular hypotheses to solve the Fermi Paradox is called the Great Filter. Basically, this says that there's some barrier that prevents species from becoming like us or further. For example, maybe there's some cosmic event, like a supernova, that happens every few million years that wipes out all advanced civilizations before they get a chance to spread around the galaxy. Or maybe there's some natural limit to technology, like the laws of thermodynamics, which would mean that no civilization could ever get far enough to colonize other star systems. In other words, if getting to our level of advancement requires destroying your planet, then maybe that's what happened to all the other species out there. Another hypothesis is called the rare earth hypothesis, which basically says that life is a lot more unlikely than we think. Maybe all the ingredients for life are so exceptionally rare that it's just highly improbable that life would arise independently in more than one place. For example, maybe the conditions that led to the formation of Earth won't happen again for billions of years. Or maybe there's some other factor, like the presence of a nearby supernova that gave Earth a boost that other planets didn't get. If either of these were true, then it would explain why we haven't found any aliens yet. But there are other hypotheses too. The zoo hypothesis, for example, says that aliens exist, but we can't detect them because they reach so far beyond our level of technology that they are effectively invisible to us. Or maybe they're hiding on purpose. And then there's the simulation theory, which says that if our reality is a computer simulation, then there's a good chance other civilizations are simulations too, and they might not be able to interact with each other unless their simulators allow it. So what do you think? Why haven't we found aliens yet? And do you want to learn more about the amazing discoveries made by modern telescopes? Then be sure to subscribe for more mysteries of the universe. It's me, and thanks for watching.